to the Style Pad. My name's Louise and today I'm going to be showing you a really easy way of making your own drawer knobs using earrings. This is also my first video that I've shot myself at home, so please excuse any dodgy editing, dodgy lighting that goes on, but I will just try my best and see how I get on. So the first thing we need to do today is head to the shops to see if we can find any suitable budget-friendly earrings that we can use for this DIY. Okay, so here we are at Primark, one of my favourite places to be. Let's go see what we can find. These are cool. They could actually work, but we'd obviously need to fill the centres, but they're an option. These would work really well, but unfortunately they're the wrong colour. I want something light. I love these, but just to wear, perhaps I'll get them £1. These are cool. These are like really similar to something that I saw in New Look as well. They could work, but they might just be a bit OTT for this project. They're cool though. Wow, one for the Game of Thrones fans. Not sure they're quite right for this project. I think I found them. These, I think these are the ones. If we took off the bottom section, I think that would make a lovely little drawer knob. I might have to thicken it out a bit as well, but yes, I like these. Let's get some of these. Okay, so we are back. We have the perfect earrings for this DIY, so let's get started. All you need is 2 bits of dowel. The first one, I have got the same diameter as the face of the earrings. That's actually 3 centimetres diameter. The second piece is slightly smaller at 1.5 centimetre diameter. Also have a little saw. We have whatever paint that you'd like to use for the back of your drawer handle, and we have some good old sanding paper. I've got a hot glue gun. You can use whatever glue you want as long as it's hard wearing. I've got some little plier metal cutters, and of course one of the earrings I just bought. So first thing you need to do is to get your biggest dowel and cut it into a little section, probably about 5 mil, I'd say. So I'll just do that for you now. After that's all sanded, you need to get your smaller piece of dowel and cut probably, I would say, about 7 or 8 mil length of that. Okay, so once you've had a little sound of that one as well, you should end up with 2 little pieces like this. So the next step is to paint them. So I'm going to be using Paint House paint. This one is called Eddie. This video isn't sponsored, I just really like using Paint House. And you simply paint it on. Okay, so once your paint is dry, you should end up with 2 pieces, a little something like this. So now we need to move on to our earrings. So all I'm going to do is, obviously I want the big circle section and I don't need the other little bits. So I'm just going to take my pliers or wire cutters and just take off the little middle section. Great. So next step is to get our glue gun, which mine has been heating up for the last 5 minutes, so I'm good to go. And we are just going to put those out of the way, stick the front of our earring to the bigger piece of our dowel. On it goes. We're then going to take our glue gun again, put a little bit of glue on the end of the smaller piece of dowel. Centre it, press it on. And there you have it, one little drawer knob. It's completely unique, no one else is going to have drawer knobs like this, and it probably costs other people a lot more for their drawer knobs too, so yeah, chuffed with that. All that's left to do is I would drill a little hole in the back before you put your screw in, just because you don't want to split the dowel. So just drill a very small hole in the back, place it onto your drawer, and then screw in from the other side, and you're done. I really hope you enjoyed that DIY. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe so that you can be the first to see any new videos that I have coming out soon. Thanks again everyone, see you next time.